How's it going, everyone? And today I'm going to show you how to get Command and Conquer Generals and 0 Hour for free. Downloads will be in the description. Let's get started. So, you're going to get a zip file. You're going to extract that using 7-zip or WinRAR. Once you've done that, go to your C drive and make a folder called Games. And then from there, you're going to transfer the folder you've extracted. And then once you've done that, double click on it and you're gonna do the setup. You don't have to disable your antivirus. Everything is gonna be just fine right here. So we're gonna double click fast setup and then just click yes. This is for the SDK, DirectX, SDK. And just click I accept. And then finish. And then just click yes so they can inject data to the registry editor or something like that. And then press any key to continue. And then that's about it. And last thing you need to do is click this REG application and then right click and then run as administrator and then click yes. And yeah, you have it now. So you can just double click here and run 0 hour. See, it works now. I'll show you the generals also. See, both working. Command and Conquer Generals and 0 hour.